This is tarot?
Yeah, this is the hairy ball.
Let's do a tarot reading.
It's also called an Edo.
Because you want to Edo after you have a tarot reading session.
Right. How do we do this, Jenna?
This one, we boiled it. Then we sauteed it in coconut milk. And what seasoning is that?
That is leftover oregano from the same pan because this is a ghetto kitchen.
So cheers. Taro, Edo, yummy, yo. Let's test it out.
Okay. Oh.
That was really bad.
That's okay. This is very, very soft.
This is so soft. It should be a mash.
Yeah. I am so impressed by this. And
Oh
this one had the most health benefits. It reduces the bile acids in your intestines, which sounds gross.
Just smash it into little patties and then just fry it in butter.
And you can hide it in your kids' food.
They would never know, like, that's not a mashed potato.
We found vegetables that don't suck.
Oh my God, we're so smart.
Oh my God.
I have my own cooking show. I did so much cooking today.
You didn't even peel, actually. I don't think you did anything.
I am here for moral support and the food.